Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher for class Montessori Junior. This is your new Oxford Modern English Primer A. Open page number 44. It is a, it is an. Read. It is a pot. It, is. It is a pot pot. It is a pot. It is a tin. It, is. It is a tin. It is a tin. It is a cat. It, is. It is a cat. It is a cat. It is a hen. It, is. It is a hen. It is a hen. It is an X. It, is. It is an. It is an AXEX. It is an X. It is a pot. It is a tin. It is a cat. It is a hen. It is an X. Practice.
It is a dog. It is a dog. It is a pen. It is a pen. It is a pin. It is a pin. It is a nut. It is a nut. It is an egg. It is an egg. It is a cup. It is a cup. It is an elephant. It is an elephant. It is an owl. It is an owl. It is an umbrella. It is an umbrella.
Read.
Bun, sun, fun, run, fun. Bun, sun, fun, run, fun. Then, man, pen, tan, hen. Then, man, pen, tan, hen.
This is your English copy. Uses of articles. Number 1 is it is dash pot. Pot starts with consonant sound, so we use article a. It is a pot. Number 2 is it is dash tin. Tin starts with consonant sound, so we use article a. It is a tin. Number 3 is it is dash x. X starts with vowel sound, so we use article an. An. It is an x. Number 4 is it is dash cat. Cat starts with consonant sound, so we use article a. It is a cat. Number 5 is it is dash hen. Hen start with consonant sound, so we use article a. It is a hen. Complete this page. Allah Hafiz.